Okay, guys, let's have a look. So today we have our second reading comprehension. Now, before we get stuck into our reading comprehension, I want to check our homework. Our homework was all about drawing conclusions. And I just want to say thank you and congratulations to 2E9, Noob, Kiwi, Mickey, Ming Huang, Hacker, and Leo. Well done for uploading your homework to the system. And 2E10, Simon, Ba, Dami, Kaki, and Michael. Good job. Have a look. So, homework. We had a little story to read. So let's all read that together. Josh woke up early on Saturday morning and looked outside the window. The sun was out and it was hot. His dad called to Josh and said, "It is a perfect day. Don't forget to bring a towel." Josh grabbed a towel and they left the house. What we had to do is we had to make a conclusion about where we thought they were going based on the clues from the story. Where do we think they're going? Kaki, where do you think they are going?
They're going to swimming.
They are going swimming. So they are going swimming. Good girl. Very nice. Do we think they're going swimming? Okay. Did anyone get any other answers? Kitty.
I think they are going to go to the beach.
Going to the beach. That's a good one. Good girl, Kitty. Anybody else? So swimming or the beach? Were there any other answers? Simon, can you tell me a clue that helped you?
They left the house
They left the house. Good, but what did they leave the house with?
with the tower.
Good job. Well done, Simon. Okay, so they needed a towel. Well, my next detail is his dad said it's a perfect day. And then, as Simon's just said, Josh grabbed a towel. So I have used these three story clues. The sun was out and it was a hot day. His dad said, "It's a perfect day." And my third detail was that Josh grabbed a towel. The towel gives me a clue that they will be getting wet somewhere. So the conclusion that we have drawn is that they are going to the beach, or they are going to a pool, or they are going swimming. So well done, guys. Most people got that right. And Dami, I really liked your conclusion. I thought it was very clever, but just because it was a hot day, I don't think that's why they would go for a run. Okay, let's move on, guys. Very good work. Okay, so here is my favorite homework. So this is from Leo. Well done, Leo. Very good homework. I like that you illustrated it, just like Dami did too. It's a very good homework. So here Leo has given us the details. The sun was very hot, and he's drawn a little picture inside with a fan and the sun in the window. His second detail is Dad says to Josh, "It is a perfect day. Don't forget the towel." And his third detail was Josh grabs the towel and left home. The conclusion is they go to the beach. And here we have a beautiful picture of a sun and Josh sunbathing on the beach. But I'm not sure why there's a broken car here. Leo, why is there a broken car?
Well, because many energy.
Ah, I see. Very good. Great job. Well done, Leo. Really good homework. Perfect work. Okay, guys. So well done with your homework. I was very impressed. Let's move on. Okay, guys. So today, as I said, our second day of our reading comprehension. And today we're talking and reading a story about camping. Now, have a look at the question here. Have you ever been camping before? So I'm going to lower all hands. Please click the raise your hand button if you have ever been camping. Kwang Hai.
I have been camping before already.
Okay, and did you like it?
Yes.
Yeah. What did you do when you went camping? Can you tell me?
I make a small house
Mm-hmm.
and I make fire.
Very nice. Did your small house look like the houses on the pictures here? These little...
Yes, but it is a little bit bigger.
Okay, so what we call these are tents. They are called tents.
But I have square tents.
A square tent. Very good. Okay, great job, Kwang Hai. One more person. Who else has been camping? Let's see, whose hand? Jenny. Jenny, have you been camping before?
Yes.
Okay, and what did you do when you went camping?
I lay in the tent.
You played in the tent. Very good. And who did you go camping with?
My dad, Katie, my mom, and Katie mom.
Oh, very nice. And did you have a great time?
Yes.
Good girl. Thank you, Jenny. Okay, guys, so camping is really fun. Camping is when you and your family or friends go to an area where there are trees and lots of vast land, so you can put up a tent like this, which is like a temporary house. And sometimes you'll make a fire, you'll tell stories, and you'll cook food. Okay, so let's have a look at our story. It's all about camping. Okay, who thinks they can read these two paragraphs for me right here on the left-hand side? Who can read from Hank to Carlos? Tweety.
Called up his best friend Carlos. My dad and I are going camping this weekend. Do you want to come with us? We can sleep in a tent and fish in the lake. That sounds like fun, said Carlos. I packed my sleeping bag and fishing pole. The next day, Dad and the boys set off for the woods. There's a good spot for our tent and a campfire, shouted Carlos.
Very nice reading. Thank you, Tweety. Okay, let's have a boy this time. What boy would like to read this side? Buh.
Was an open space between a group of trees and the path to the lake. The boys
So this is helped. Good.
Dad set up to tent. They put their sleeping bags inside one of the tents. You boys can find some firewood, said Hank's dad. Then I make a campfire. The boys went into the woods to find firewood. Carlos found 3 log sticks. We can use this to cook dinner, he told Hank.
Lovely. Thank you, Ba. Lovely reading. Okay, so Hank and Carlos and their dad are going camping. They're going to go fishing and they're going to make campfires. It sounds very exciting. Okay, let's have a girl this time. A girl to read from dad to warm. Kiwi. Okay, Kiwi. Go ahead, Kiwi.
Dad and the boy put hot dogs on the end of the stick and cooked them over the campfire.
Good girl.
Then they cooked marshmallow over
the fire.
the fire.
Good girl. Everything. Good.
After dinner, the boys sat by the campfire. They sang songs and told funny jokes. Dad told a scary story. It was getting dark. The sky filled with stars and a big bright moon.
Good girl.
It was getting cold too. But by this
Campfire.
campfire feel good, said Hank. He moved closer to the fire to stay warm.
Good girl. Thank you. Lovely reading, Kiwi. Good girl. Okay, everyone listen to Miss Rachel. I'm going to read the next paragraph, okay? So make sure you follow along. The boys could hear an owl hooting. They could hear something moving in the woods. What was that? Asked Carlos. I don't know, but it sounds big, said Hank as he moved closer to his dad. I think we should go to bed now, said Carlos. Me too, agreed Hank. The boys said good night to Dad. They went into the tent and shut the flap. Then they crawled into their sleeping bags. "I want to go fishing when I wake up," said Hank. "I want to fish too," said Carlos. "Good night, sleep tight, and don't let the bed bugs bite." Soon, both boys were asleep and dreaming about the big fish they would catch. As soon as it was light, Dad called, "It's time to get up." When the boys were dressed, Dad said, "Look here." He pointed to a footprint in the dirt. "I think that noise we heard last night was a deer," said Dad. Both boys were hungry. "Let's fix breakfast," said Hank. They put bread on their sticks and toasted it over the campfire. The toast was good with peanut butter and jam. Then they took their fishing poles and ran down the path to the lake. "Let's see if we can catch lunch," said Carlos. And they did. Okay, so we've just read a story all about camping. Now, I want you to help me answer these comprehension questions about the story we've just read. Where were Dad and the boys going? Ocean, can you tell me, where were they going?
To the wood.
Very good, well done. They were going to the woods on a camping trip. Okay, what were they going to do? Sail a boat, ride horses, or go fishing? Okay, Simon?
They go fishing.
They were going to go fishing. Very good. Well done, Simon. Okay, number 3. Why did they need to collect firewood? Go ahead, Ocean.
They stay warm at night and they cook.
Yeah, perfect. You're exactly right. So they needed to collect firewood to stay warm because they needed to make a campfire. Very good, Ocean. Okay, so they needed wood to make a campfire to stay warm during the night and so that they could cook. Really good, Ocean. Okay, number 4. How did they cook their hot dogs and toast? Leo.
They use firewood to cook.
Very good. They used the firewood. Can you remember what they put the hot dogs on? On the stick. They put them on sticks. But you are right. They used the campfire to cook them. Well done, Leo. Okay, so they put them on sticks and held them over the campfire. Okay, number 5. Why did the boys want to catch fish? Michael, can you tell me, please?
To cook and eat them.
Very good. Well done, Michael. They wanted to eat them for lunch. Perfect work. Okay, number 6. How do you think the boys felt when they heard something moving in the woods? Why? So in the story, the boys can hear something in the woods. How do you think that made them feel? Dami.
Scared.
Good. Why do you think they were scared?
Because they think catching is a wolf.
Very good. That's a great answer, Dami. Well done. Okay. They were frightened or nervous because they didn't know what it could be. It could be a bear. It could be a wolf. It could be a crazy animal that they don't know about. Well done. Very good. Okay, moving on. So, find words in the story to name the pictures. So here we have 9 different pictures. We've got one that's already been done for us. This is a fishing pole. What do we think number 1 is? Good girl, Teddy. Well done. It is a sleeping bag. We use these when we go camping to keep warm when we're sleeping. Okay, number 2, what's this? Can you tell me?
Tent.
Very good. Well done. It is a tent. That's what we use to sleep in when we go camping. Number 3, what's this? Khaki.
That's a fire.
Very good. Well done. It's a fire or a campfire. Very good. Okay, and number 4, Michael, your hand was up first.
Stick.
Very good. It's a stick. Well done. So they put the hot dogs and the toast here on the end and held it over the campfire. What's this? Tuichi, what is this food?
Hot dog.
Very good. Well done. It's a hot dog. Good girl. And what's this? This piece of bread with a butter on it. Kitty.
Butter bread.
Close. That's a very good guess. It's not butter bread. That word's not in the story. That's okay. Hacker, can you tell me? What is this?
A butter.
So not butter. It is toast. Okay, so toast is when we cook bread and we put some butter on it so it goes crunchy and warm. Okay, here is a fishing pole used for fishing. What are these beautiful things that we can see in the night sky? Lekang.
Star.
Stars. Good girl. Well done. Stars. And the last one, a little animal that goes woot, woot, woot. Simon, what animal is this?
Owl.
An owl. Good boy. Well done. Lovely. Okay, moving on. So we've got word families. This is the ick sound. When we add l and ick, what word do we make? Everyone shout it out. Lick. Lick. Okay, very good. Let's do number 3. And ick makes what? Everyone shout it out. Sick. Very good. Well done. Okay, let's do this one together. Huh plus ick equals. Very good. Well, ick. Very good. And ch plus ick equals. Very good. Well done. Very good. Okay. Use the new words you made in these sentences. Number 1. A baby came out of its egg. What do we think? Taki.
A baby chick came out of its egg.
Good girl, Kaki. Well done. Number 2. Carlos cooked his hot dog on a what? Dami, can you tell me? Stick. Very good. Well done, Dami. How far can you the ball? Lam, what do we do to a ball? Do we
Kick.
Very good. Well done. Kick the ball. Good job, Lam. Okay, everyone, I want you to all say together with me again. Plus ed equals head. Very good. Good. Plus ed equals red. Good. L plus ed equals lead. Very good. D plus ed equals dead. Very good. R plus ed equals red. Very good. Br plus ed equals very good. Well, great. Okay, let's use the new words we made in these sentences. Hank, a story to his little sister. Teddy.
Read a story to his little sister.
So this is the past tense of read. It's read, but you're right. Hank read a story to his little sister. Good girl. Number 2, he butter on a slice of Leo.
He spread butter on a slice of bread.
Very good. He spread butter on a slice of bread. Amazing work, Leo. And number 3, the clown had a funny hat on his what, Kaki?
The clown had a funny hat on his head.
Very good. Well done. Good work, Kaki. Okay, guys, so let's have a look at the next exercise. This one's very important. We've actually been doing quite a lot of this recently. The different sounds of ed. So we can have ed, d, and t. I want you to help me put these in the correct column. Where should looked go? Michael, go ahead.
In the ed column.
In the ed column, have a listen. Looked. So the ed sound here, does it have the ed, d, or t sound? Look.
T column.
Very good. It goes in the T column. Good job, Michael. Looked. Very good. Okay, wanted.
ED sound.
Very good. Well done. ED sound. Where should we put filled? Filled. Simon, where should we put filled?
D.
D. Very good. Well done, Simon. Where should we put named? Leo.
We put name in D.
Very good. Well done, Indy. Cooked. Cooked. Kaki, where should?
T.
Very good. T. Well done. And toasted. Toasted. Where should toasted go? Did should go in the ED box. Shouted. Where should shouted go? Tweechy, can you tell me?
ED box.
Very good. ED box. Good girl. Dreamed. I dreamed last night. Michael.
It goes into the D column.
It does. Very good, Michael. Last one. Picked. Picked. Kitty, where should picked go?
It should go to the T.
To the T column. Good girl, Kitty. Very good. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do today before I explain homework is opposites. Here we have long, short. What is the opposite of up? I'm going to unmute everyone. Shout it out. Down. Very good. And the opposite of over is?
Under.
Clever. Cookies. Okay, the opposite of cold is?
Hot.
Amazing. The opposite of go is? Come. Very good. And the opposite of sad is? Happy. Very good. Well done, guys. All my clever cookies. Good job. Okay, let's have a look at our homework. Okay, guys. So again, we've got a homework all about drawing conclusions. So there are 2 pages to this homework over the weekend. Okay, so have a look at the picture. Can you describe what's happening in the illustration? I can see a tree, I can see a cat, and I can see a girl who's pointing at the cat who looks a bit scared. So what do you think has happened? Who? Who can you see in the picture? I can see a girl. What? What has happened here? What is the problem with this picture? Where? Where do you think they are? Are they at the beach? Are they in a garden? Are they at the park? What do you think? And when? Do you think it's at nighttime? Do you think it's during the day? Now, I want you to fill in all this information based on what you think is happening from looking at the picture. Then, on the second page, I want you to draw a picture. By using the information given in the why and how, draw a picture of the kitten before it gets stuck in the tree. Why? The kitten saw a big, colorful butterfly and wanted to chase it. How? The gate was left open, so the kitten got out and chased the butterfly up the tree. So I want you to draw a picture of this. I want you to use this information about why the kitten is in the garden and how it got up the tree. So you draw a picture using this information, and on this page, I want you to fill in the information based on your conclusion. You look at this picture and you draw a conclusion of who it is, what's happened, where it has happened, and when it has happened. Do I have any questions about the homework? Please raise your hand. Kaki, please can you tell me, what is your question?
We need to draw a picture by using clue.
Yes, so here, have a look at your screen right now. Why? The kitten saw a big colorful butterfly and wanted to chase it. How? The gate was left open, so the kitten got out and chased the butterfly up the tree. So I want you to draw a picture that shows these 2 things happening. So you can draw a picture of a gate being left open and a cat chasing after a big colorful butterfly. As always, some people do have a printer at home and some people don't. If you don't have a printer at home, please use your iPad or your computer, whatever you're using right now, to look at the homework, okay? You can look at the picture, then on a piece of paper you can write who, what, where, when. That's where you will draw each conclusion, okay? So you will write your sentences about who you think it is happening to, what the problem is, where it is happening, and when it is happening. Okay, so you draw your own conclusions based on the picture. So some people might have different conclusions. Some people might think it's in the morning. Some people might think it's after school. It's up to you. Then I would like you to draw a picture on a piece of paper. So if you don't have a printer, don't worry about it. And if your mom or dad forgets to print it, don't worry. It's okay. You can just use a piece of paper. We've only got about 30 seconds left, so thank you for joining in on our second reading comprehension. I'm going to stop sharing, and I'm going to say bye.
Bye, 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 bye.